What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the Y-strap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. You can let your arms down. So a little low back,
yeah,
and neck.
Mm-hmm. Shoulder?
Yeah, right's short. Any tenderness over here?
Never too much, no.
Okay.
Just that lower back has tenderness.
Okay. That one was easy. Sounds like a little howler monkey out there. Lift your chin up and relax right under your chin. Nice.
Aches.
Any headaches or anything?
No.
Okay, good. Good. All right. Go and flip on your back.
That was a lot. That was loud. Yeah.
Oh! Haven't done that in a while.
I promise I didn't do it. I know.
You might have to
Sorry, I gotta clear myself first.
He's trying to pick up the weights. He's trying to pick up the weights.
When'd you guys get here?
Friday.
And you're here till when?
Monday.
He's trying to pick up the weights.
A little bit more, a little bit more.
Which one says it?
Alright, now we'll do low back over there. Those were deep.
Like the cracks?
Yeah.
Yeah. So loose now.
Good. Alright. Alright, so go on your side. Bottom one straight, this one bent. Grab your elbow. Yeah, good. Went really easy. Good.
That was easy.
It went really easy.
Good.
Alright.
Alright.
Go face up here really quick.
Okay. Head that way, right?
Yep.
I played with one on my team, and then I played by myself, but we lost.
Oh, that's alright.
I was gonna
Is it only the one that pops usually?
yeah.
Yeah.
Other,
Hold these up.
Sorry. My feet are going to be clammy now.
No socks either.
I always need to wear socks here and I forget. Yikes.
Holy
Never
cow.
done that. Yikes.
Holy
Never
cow.
done that before.
and then they call it out after
Dang.
What's that from?
Dang. Dang.
What's that from?
Really out. It's out, but I'm like, we pulled it out after it hit.
Good.
That was crazy. Did you tape that?
Yeah.
You've never cracked my feet before, or my ankles.
Usually try and do a little bit more extreme.
Just cracked my ankles.
Yeah.
Did you hear him out there?
I heard something crack, but I didn't know
That
it was
was
from
my
ankles.
Dang. How do you feel?
Good. Loose.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.